Okay, today on the Camp Chef Smoker, we are going to smoke a pork belly. Not just any pork belly, we're going to have a pork belly roast. We're going to roll that pork belly up into a roast, tie it with butcher string. We're going to stuff it with some rice and other ingredients. We're going to show you what we're going to do. So I'll tell you what, hang around. We're going to show you how we're going to do a pork belly roast today. Browning some bacon for our stuffing. Rice is already done, jasmine rice.
And then this will be, we'll cook this till it's crisp, and then we'll put in onion, garlic, and a little bit of lemon zest. Mix that all in with the rice, and that'll be the basis for our stuffing.
This is going to be good, folks. Smells good.
Salt and pepper. Rice that we cooked, we added a little bit of soy sauce, just a couple of shakes of soy sauce. Now this is the bacon, the onion, and the garlic, and we're going to put that in. I put just a little bit of water in there so I could get some of that good juicy stuff off of the bottom. Okay. And now we're just going to mix that in. All right. That's mixed in pretty good. And then we're just going to get this. This is ready now. This is going to be the stuffing that we're going to lay on our pork belly. We have prepared our pork belly. We just salted it, trimmed it up just a little bit. Okay, this flap used to be on here, so it was a little thick on this side. So we cut that flap and moved it down to give us a little bit more room to roll.
Very good.
And then this is our stuffing. So we're going to start right here. In there like that, and then we're going to roll it up.
Wow, that looks really good.
Yeah. And you don't have to worry about it spilling out because it's okay. It can spill out. Okay. All right, now we're going to tie it up, put it in the fridge, and we're just going to leave it in the fridge because it needs to be dry out. Because this skin on the top here is going to turn really crispy.
Right in the center. Like that. And then another quick knot. And then we just take the scissors and cut that.
Oops. Oh, hi, Bella. Hi, Gray.
They're watching us intently, thinking they're going to get some of this.
Yeah, anything that hits the floor, it's fair game then.
So we be very careful when we're doing this.
Very careful.
Have this in the fridge overnight, and we'll be roasting it tomorrow.
Yep, so we'll get back with you when we put it in the smoker.
Okay, this is our pork belly roast that we put in the refrigerator for all night. Let it set all night to draw that moisture out in the refrigerator. This is going to be our Easter Sunday dinner. Can you see a look at that? This stuffed roast is just going to be perfect for us today. Now we've taken the rub. We have a rub on there. We got the recipe down below in the descriptions. And our stuffing mix, the stuffing that we have inside is the recipe will be down below in the comment section also. We're going to throw this on the Camp Chef Griddle today, and we're going to cook it at about 250 degrees, smoke it about 250 degrees, and we'll get an internal temperature of around 150 to 160 degrees today. So let's get that Camp Chef started up there and get going. Okay, we're on our way to put it in the Camp Chef smoker this morning. Okay, we're going to put the probe in, the fatty part of this. Thanks for holding it.
Put it back.
Put it in top?
Yeah.
That there goes right down to the dressing that way. All right, we got our probe in. We're going to throw it on the Camp Chef. A good looking piece of pork, and the aroma is great. Rolled stuffed pork belly roasts have been on the Camp Chef cooker for about an hour and a half now. Internal temperature right now is 111 degrees, so let's take a look at it and see what it looks like after an hour and a half. Oh yeah, it is definitely getting, it's getting real crispy. Look at the juices on top. This is looking, wow folks. Now I'm telling you what, this is going to be a delicious roast today, cooking just right for us. Can't beat it today. Happy Easter, folks. Okay, we're getting ready to take our rolled pork roast off of the grill today, out of our woodwind, and let's take a look at it. Oh my, internal temperature's running 155. We'll take the thermometer out of there. Okay. Take a look at that. Look at that in there. Isn't that just pretty? Take a look. Okay, folks, we're going to get inside, let this rest for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to get eat. Okay, we've got this off of the grill today. We're going to cut into it. Going to cut a couple of these strings off. Right there's one. Now it's got it. Take a look at this. Look how juicy. Look at this roast. Oh my, my.
We let it rest for about a half an hour. Okay.
Take a look at that. Look how juicy that roast is there. Holy mackerel. Now this is going to be a really, really good tasting roast. Well, thank you folks for watching us today. We appreciate that. We hope that y'all had a real great Easter Sunday, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
That's right.
We want to tell everybody Happy Easter 2021.
And for all our family members that didn't get a chance to come, we love you. Hope you could come next time. Love you.
Happy
Bye.
Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody.
Happy Easter. Is it recording?
Yes, sir.
You see it on the right side there? Hey, I'm gonna record.
Oh, you got to record?
That butcher's twine right in the middle of it first and get the first cut, the first tie right in the middle. So we'll get that. And I went backwards. Hang on a second, folks. Now what's all in that stuffing?
Okay, there's jasmine rice. And cook that in a little bit of... Oh, okay, you're going to have to stop it.
That's all right. Go ahead.